you're a whiskey aficionado like my husband, you might be suspect of cocktails like the Banana Stand. But also like my husband, you might be surprised at how delicious they can be. Let's mix this one up. Let's start with 1.5 ounces of Uncle Nearest 1884 whiskey. Add 1 ounce of banana liqueur, 3/4 of an ounce of creme de cacao, and 1/2 ounce of lemon. Then add 1 egg white or a vegan substitute. Fill your shaker with ice, give it a good shake. Strain into another shaker for a dry shake. The Banana Stand is a fantastic cocktail with so many wonderful flavors all blended together in a perfect balance of decadence and absolute yum. The Banana Stand is Queen Bee approved.